A Git pull request is not actually part of Git itself. It is a feature provided by platforms like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket, built on top of Git branches and merges. Under the hood, a pull request is simply a way to propose merging one branch into another and to have that process reviewed and approved by your team. Imagine the main branch has commits A, B, and C. You create a feature branch from C and add commits D, E, and F. When you push your feature branch to the remote, the server now knows about it. At this point, you can open a pull request. When you open the pull request, the platform compares the base branch, which is main, with your feature branch. It calculates the difference, which in this case are commits D, E, and F, and shows those changes in the pull request interface. That's why you see a list of commits and a diff of the files that were changed. The pull request itself is a request for someone to merge your branch into main. Teammates can review your code, leave comments, or ask for changes. If you push more commits to the feature branch, the pull request automatically updates. When the pull request is approved and you click merge, the platform performs a Git operation on the server. If main hasn't moved forward, it might do a fast forward, simply moving the main pointer to commit F if main has diverged. It may create a merge commit that ties the two histories together. Depending on settings, it could also squash all your commits into one before merging, or rebase them on top of main to keep the history linear. Once the merge is done, the pull request is marked closed and merged, and you can delete your feature branch. The base branch now includes your work, and the history shows the merge. So in summary, a pull request is not a Git command. It is a workflow on hosting platforms that uses branches, diffs, and merges to let developers propose changes, get feedback, and then integrate those changes safely. If this explanation helped you understand how pull requests work under the hood, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more simple breakdowns of developer tools.